Hi guys, Josh here from Chiropractic Life in Perth. One question we often get asked is, what causes the popping or cracking sound when we get adjusted? Now, what happens when we're adjusting you is we're trying to increase or improve the movement through a joint. When we do this, it causes a stretch and it actually causes a change in the pressure between those two joints. Now, when we change the pressure, this forms tiny little gas bubbles, and the cracking sound which you're hearing is just that bubble appearing and popping as we change the pressure. So when we crack a joint, for example a knuckle, you'll get that tiny crack. If we try to do that again with the same finger, we can't do it because that gas needs to build up again. So when we're adjusting you, we're not breaking anything, we're not snapping any bones. All we're doing is changing the pressure by increasing the movement, and that's what's causing that cracking sound.